Question number 14. The perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC intersects BC at D. This is triangle ABC. Perpendicular from A on BC intersects BC at D, such that DB is equal to 3CD. DB is equal to 3CD. This DB is equal to 3 times of CD. Means here we can write 3 CDs. 1, 2 and 3. 3 CDs can occupy this space. It means this, that DB is equal to 3 CD. In right triangle ADB solution we have started. We have taken right triangle ADB. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. It is clear by Pythagoras theorem. In right triangle ADC, this is the right triangle ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. It is again by Pythagoras theorem. See, here we have taken these two equations. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square, equation number 1. And AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square, equation number 2. Now we are subtracting equation number 2 from 1. We get AB square minus AC square. See here, AB square, if we prove AB, here we have AB square, AC square and BC square. Then we have subtracted AB square minus AC square is equal to AD square plus BD square minus AD square minus CD square. This AD square and AD square will cancelize, and here we get BD square minus CD square. We can write it as BD plus CD into BD minus CD by the formula that A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. It is the identity. Now BD plus CD is BC. Then we write here BC. BD minus CD, BD. Just now I have told that here we can occupy 3 CDs. BD is 3 CD minus CD. 3 minus CD. We get BC. 3 CD minus CD is twice of CD. Then we get 2 into BC into CD. Now CD is 1 by 4 of BC. How? See here, these are 3 CD. 1 CD more. Then this BC is 4 times of CD. Then CD can be written as 1 by 4 of BC. We have written it is 2 BC into 1 by 4 of BC. It can be taken in this way, as I have told you, that it is 3 CD, 1 CD more. If we take in this 3 CD, we get BC. Then we can write CD is equal to 1 by 4 BC. Now AB square minus AC square is equal to, from here we get 2 BC into 1 by 4 BC means 1 by 2 BC square. Then we get AB square minus AC square is equal to 1 by 2 BC square. 2 we take on left side. 2 into AB square minus AC square is equal to BC square. 2 AB square is equal to, we take this AC square on right side, then 2 A minus will convert into plus, 2 AC square plus BC square. This we will to prove. This is the solution. Then we come to the next question. Question number 15. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on BC. D is a point. This is the triangle ABC in which D is a point on BC such that point on BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3, BC. We are to prove that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC in this equilateral triangle ABC. Now ABC is equilateral triangle, therefore we can say AB is equal to AC is equal to BC, mean the all three sides are equal. Now given and to prove, you can write from the question. In the question it was given that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC, BD is 1 by 3 BC, and we are to prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. What is given? Triangle ABC is equilateral triangle in which AB is equal to AC is equal to BC, and it is given that BD is 1 by 3 BC, BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC, and we are to prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. 9 times of AD square is equal to 7 times of AB square. Now we take the proof. Before doing the proof, we take a construction. To make right triangles, draw AP perpendicular to BC. Now we have got right triangles ABB, APC and APD. We have got 3 right triangles. Now first we take in right triangle APB. In right triangle APB, AB square is equal to AP square plus BP square. AB square is equal to AP square plus BP square. This is the equation number 1. Then we take right triangle ADB. In this, AD square is equal to AP square plus DP square. AD square is equal to AP square plus DP square by Pythagoras theorem. Or we can write here AP square is equal to AD square minus DP square. We take DP square on the side of AD square. We get AP square is equal to AD square minus DP square. This is the equation number 2. From this equation, we put the value of AP square in equation number 1. We get AB square is equal to AD square minus DP square plus BP square. AD square minus DP square is equal to BC by 2 whole square. BP is, see here, AP is perpendicular in equilateral triangle ABC, then this perpendicular also, this altitude also works as median. Then it divides the base into 2 equal parts, means BP is equal to PC, means BP is half of BC. Then here on the place of BP we can write BC by 2 whole square. BP square is equal to BC by 2 whole square. Therefore we get AB square is equal to AD square minus DP square plus BC by 2 whole square. We can prove this BP is equal to CP by taking these 2 triangles, triangle APB and triangle APC, and we prove that these 2 triangles are congruent by RHS rule. Then by CPCT, BP is equal to CP. We can do this also. Now here we have AB square is equal to AD square minus DP square plus BC by 2 whole square. AB square is equal to AD square minus DP by 2 plus BC square by 4. We had BC by 2 whole square, then BC by 2 whole square becomes BC square by 4. AD square minus BP minus BD whole square. What is DP? From here we get, see here, DP is BP minus BD. This DP is BP minus BD that we have used. Instead of DP we have written BP minus BD whole square. Now apply the formula here. A square plus B square minus 2AB. A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Then it becomes AD square minus BP square minus BD square, minus into minus plus 2B into 2BP into BD plus BC square by 4. We know that BP is equal to BC by 2. Then and BD is equal to BC by 3. It was given, but P was the mid of BC, therefore BP is BC by 2 and BD is equal to BC by 3. We have this already. Then we put these values in this equation. We have converted this whole part into BC square. Then AD square minus BC square by 4 minus BC square by 9 plus BC square by 3 plus BC square by 4. We have put the values of BP and BD. We get this, and then we solve these BCs by taking the LCM, and we get these BCs become equal to 2 by 9 BC square. Then we have got here AD square plus 2 by 9 BC square is equal to AB square. Now we take AB is equal to BC because it was equilateral triangle. Instead of BC we can write AB, and we take it on the left. AB square minus 2 by 9 AB square is equal to AD square. By solving we get 7 by 9 AB square is equal to AD square. 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square. It was the question number 15. See, this is the question number 15. This is the question number 15.